Wakey 420, the host with most day-to-day living on the down east coast, catching lobster, singing tunes, dealing outdoors in the Camp Pickle crew. It's what you're looking for. It's just another hardcore adventure.
We got another hardcore adventure, people, out here on Flanders Pond. We're fucking perch fishing, apparently. Brian won't let me go in.
After fucking pond flounder.
Rybo won't let me go try to catch a brown. I'd like to pull one off right here, right off the bottom.
You never know. Never know.
It's my first fish of the year if I can land him. Jesus, he feels heavy.
Does he?
Oh, he's fighting now. Let him play. Dylan outdoors.
Don't huss him, bud. Don't huss him.
Dylan outdoors. Let him play. If he wants it, give it to him. Jesus. Oh, God, I'm right.
Oh, we have a wet sleeve, folks.
We got a wet sleeve. For a goddamn pit. Ooh!
Nice bass.
Holy. That's a derby winner.
Nice bass.
That's a derby winner. We'll keep
Nice
him.
one.
We'll keep him. We'll keep him alive under the ice and bring him to the derby.
Get your name on it, Jason Soul.
He's gonna look some familiar.
You want the thing?
He's gonna look some familiar come derby day, man. Yeah, not this first bass of the day, ain't it?
Nope, let's go. Fuck off.
Rybo stealing my thunder. Was it bigger than this?
Nope.
We'll let him go, see if we can get him again. Christ, Mark's caught. He just jigged like 4 perch right in a row right on
Did he?
that. Yeah, got the skunk off our back, or at least I did. These guys have been out here for about 3 hours longer than I have. I was dragging ass and whatever.
Well, stop dragging ass, because I got a flag.
Rybo's got another flag. So.
Hurry the fuck up.
Like I said, we're out here in the middle of the pond. We got the shack out
I don't
here.
even know what I'm sitting here talking.
We got GoPro going. Rybo's scratching his ass with the GoPro. We're fucking off, people, trying to bring you some footage. So. What no critter we got here? The old Tommy Tide side by side. Yeah. Woo! Ain't she a beauty?
Oh, let's see what Flanders Pond has to offer us on this one. Eh? Rip his lips right off. Say white perch. Nice white perch. That guy in every
Well guys, we're jigging along here. Must be 10:30 by now, so wind hasn't picked up like we thought it was going to, so that's good. We're enjoying the weather. It's a balmy
Fishy day.
Yeah, it's a good fishy day. It's balmy, like, I don't know, it must be in the high 20s, ain't it, Ryan, at least?
I'd say it must be roughly 20.
We're gaining degrees. We'll take it. It says 31, feels like 20. So, well, 27 feels like 20. 10:24. We'll check another flag here.
Nice pitch.
Yeah, it ain't too bad a one. There, Jason Hardison. We're out here.
Right.
Your buddy from Friend and Friend. Friend and Friend Honda.
Right in Ellsworth.
Ellsworth, Maine.
The boys with the toys.
The boys with the toys. Bend a Friend Honda.
Yeah. They'll
take your money when you've got too much to spend. Ooh. Guys, people, that makes. How many you caught, Ryan?
I don't fucking know.
2, 4, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 in the back of the side by side. Mark's caught 5. We're just talking perch here. They had some luck with some brown trout first week. We can't tell you where though. That's top secret. We're hoping it's because of the fishing derby that is started first annual fishing derby out here last year. That we got that on video. Me and the Jim Reaper there, and we're hoping a lot of pickerel and bass were cleaned, you know, well, perch too, and they stocked some 540 brown trout, about 12 inch in here this year. So we're hoping with the, you know, you get them ice fishing derbies, you get a pond that isn't normally fished that hard, you get a couple hundred people up here fishing, and clean some of the shit out of here, and hard to tell, maybe this will be a nice trout pond here within a few years, but
if it is, we ain't gonna tell you about it.
If it is, the videos will stop, or we'll say we're up on the Golden Road somewhere up north catching brown trout. Oh shit. Oh, nice day for it anyway, people. So really, it's not bad compared to the weather we've been having. We've been in the negatives for a good, seems like 2 weeks now, right? Solid. So wind, shit. So not a lot of snow, but geez, just cold. So
too cold to snow.
Too cold to snow.
Goddamn cold to snow.
Too cold to live and too cold to die.
We're looking at 40 degrees and rain on Sunday.
Yeah, I know it, yeah. Might be on the way out, hopefully.
Splashed his hole.
Pickerel. White perch over here.
Another beauty.
More pickerel and bass and browns.
He probably fucking starved to death. He's been on this a lot. Here, Rybo, let me see you a little.
Don't hoss him, bud, don't hoss him!
You can't spit it. Rand, beady, fish, on.
Bet you're not. He's got like 6.
Ah! Woo!
Mount it! Skunk is done!
Now it's time to get serious.
Okay, we can go home now.
Yeah, let's get the hell out of here.
Doing stuff.
Nice. Getting on to wrapping things up. Little bass.
Done?
Huh?
Done.
We're just starting, I'd say.
Waiting on you.
Nice fish.
Fantastic. Goodness, that is awesome. We'll run that fucker over.
There you went, that boy.
Nice.
That, huh? Look at that beauty bass hole. You got another one on there. What's that mean? 3, 4 bass? He got it right in his asshole. I've got it. Just like a surgeon. Surgeon General warning, Wakey's on. Jesus Christ. Wakey, same one I got earlier.
Don't cut the shit. See ya.
Hey.
Just stick it on there. I don't want to lose him.
That
You
makes
bastard.
That makes over 20 perch, people. 3 bass. And I guess that's it, ain't it? No trap.
Pond flounder.
A pond flounder.
Feels like it's tempting, like maybe it's a trout.
He's acting like it. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Nice fucking trout right there. Beauty.
Fatty.
Yes, sir.
Hasn't even hooked.
Look.
Oh, barely.
Nice. The shift paid off. He gave up 20 perch. Get one get. Nice fucking fish, right? A picture. Catching really beautiful. What do you think of that?
They're finicky.
Well there guys, another day at Flanders Pond in the book. Nice day for it. We've had a lot of harsh weather lately. For those ice anglers out there in Maine, you know what I'm talking about. Then we didn't really have any ice until, unless you went north, but around here you didn't really have any ice until first week of January, really enough to stand on. There's a few guys that went through the pond in a four-wheeler in Gouldsboro, which is right local to us, but Jones's Pond. Overall, good day of fishing. 22 perch. We have 5 or 6 bass and the one majestic brown trout. We weren't really fishing in the trout area. I gotta pay attention here. I'm just going over the Sunrise Trail, the four-wheeler trail here. Might be struck by a snowmobiler, doing about 110. But anyway, heading out. Don't know when I'll end up going out again. I think Dylan Outdoors got a little footage. I think they went out and stayed out in an ice shack there one night. What I hear, had a good time. But anyway, we'll keep you posted and hopefully go hit the hard water again here soon. Have fun.
Wakey 420, the host with most day-to-day living on the down east coast, catching lobster, singing tunes, Dylan Outdoors and the Campico crew. It's what you're looking for. It's just another hardcore